Hi, my name is Rafat GH. Can you tell me who you are, where you are from, and what you doing?
My name is Marie. I come from Denmark and I'm a student. I'm doing fieldwork for my master's thesis here in Accra.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How long have you been here?
Since the middle of April, yeah.
So, what was your impression how you get to Ghana?
I'm sorry?
What was your impression how you get to Ghana?
I really like Ghana. I used to study here. I lived here like last year as well. So I've been here for a while now. And that's why I came back as well. I really like Ghana and like people are so friendly and nice and it's a nice country to be a foreigner in. Yeah.
So, how do you see the environment of Ghana compared to Denmark?
Oh, it's different. It's very different for sure. Of course there are like yeah, things it's it's difficult to compare, because the countries are so different. But what I like about Ghana is, and what is different from Denmark is that the country, like people are so much more open and like open-minded. I feel like in Denmark it's more like you're more private. People are more private and reserved, and yeah. So that's one of the things that I like. But it's very different for sure. Very different countries and cultures as well. Yeah.
Have you tried Ghana food?
Yeah, I have. I love Ghana food. Jollof is my favorite. Yeah.
And how do you see Ghana? Is it peaceful?
Yeah, I see Ghana as pretty peaceful. Yeah. Yeah.
So, do you have any social media handles you want to share out?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any social media handles you want to share
No,
out?
I'm okay. Like I don't use social media a lot. So I'm fine. Yeah.
Appreciate for giving me your time.
That's nice.